Good morning YouTube and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to ride the iconic Route 66. So another beautiful day on the Costa Blanca, and we're heading towards Murcia, where they have a Route 66. Well, it's starting to warm up. I think summer's finally on its way. Have the winter bike gear's been packed away and are now in the summer gear, so mesh jackets, jeans, summer gloves. It's 21 degrees just before 11 o'clock. We've got highs of 26 I think they forecast today, so it's going to be a nice sunny day. This is another one of those great little roads, the CV871. Got lemon trees and orange trees all around you. Again, the smell is amazing. And alcachofas or artichokes to the left. We're in the Vega Baca at the moment. It's like the, I suppose, the garden of southeast Spain, where they grow lots of fruit and vegetables. So we've just crossed over from Alicante into Murcia, and apart from the provincial borders, another way you can tell you're crossing from Alicante into Murcia is the state of the roads. There's a clear divide in the road, you can tell which side you're on, and Murcian roads aren't particularly good. I think we're spoilt in Alicante with a smooth tarmac. Another way you can tell you're in Murcia is by the desert-like landscape. It's very arid and dry in Murcia. We're now on the RM423, and this is where we'll find Murcia's Route 66, just off this road. Yeah, very bumpy roads. Welcome to Murcia. God. We are really spoilt in Alicante. Our roads are silky smooth, even up in the mountains. Not quite like the Route 66 in America, is it? And this is it. Route 66. Nice view though.
I'm in it. Okay.
like a little tropical oasis. Ah, little viaduct or aqueduct. Very lunar-like, the landscape. There's another aqueduct over there. Oh, this is nice. Just a shame the roads are so bumpy. This view. Back into Valencia, province of Alicante. A nice smooth tarmac. Lots of these little Spanish villages in the countryside, blink and you miss them. This is La Barbaroja.
Coffee.
Well, we're sat in the Hondon Valley. We're at a little bar called Gypsy Terrace, and the bells are chiming in the background. I don't know if you can hear it, but we think it's because we've just found out that the Pope has died on Easter Monday. This is the CV873. Nice little road that connects Hondon down to Albufeira. And here's the Puerto de Albufeira, 495 metres. On a Sunday this road's really popular, lots of cyclists and motorcyclists of course. Just around this bend is a fantastic view. Look at that. Don't know if the camera's picking it up, but that water out there, that's the Fondo National Park, a wildlife reserve for lots of birds, nesting birds, waders, flamingos, and just beyond that you can see the sea. And that's Orihuela over in the distance. Well, they said it's going to be warm today. They got to 27 degrees up there. Getting a bit cooler coming down towards the coast. Currently 23 degrees. Thanks for joining us on today's episode. If you like this and would like to see more of what we have to offer on the Costa Blanca in the southeast of Spain, just hit the subscribe button and we'll join the next one.